Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we will be performing an in-depth analysis of TUST, covering both the latest news and charting data. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around the $96,000 mark, having recently experienced a peak near $108,300 in mid-December and a subsequent pullback. Recent news indicates that XRP has flipped USD to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, signaling a shift in market dynamics. Let's examine the daily chart to establish broader trends. We observe a significant price increase from around $26,000 in late August to over $44,000 in early December. This substantial rally was followed by a sharp decline to the $40,000 range in mid-December. The recent price action shows that support is holding around the $40,000 level, with strong resistance at around $100,000. The recent news suggests an overall bullish sentiment towards the cryptocurrency market, with analysts predicting a significant bull market and prices as high as $225,000. Zooming in on the period between mid-December and January 4, 2025, reveals some interesting details in the daily timeframe. Now let's shift to the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular understanding of recent price movements. Here, we'll see smaller, more detailed movements. The 1-hour chart highlights a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting an overall upward trend, despite the volatility. Short-term price fluctuations are evident in the 1-hour chart, which makes it important to note when support or resistance is present. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart for the most granular view of short-term price action. The 15-minute chart will allow us to identify short-term reversal patterns and very short-term support and resistance levels. Notice the short-term support and resistance levels are much closer together. These quick movements allow for frequent opportunities for short-term trading, but increase risk. In summary, the current price of Bitcoin is $96,000, and although this is below its record high, recent positive news and price movements suggest an ongoing bullish trend. Key price levels to watch are support at $40,000 and resistance at $100,000. A decisive break above $100,000 would significantly reinforce the bullish outlook in both the short and long term. Conversely, a breach below $40,000 could trigger a substantial bearish correction. The short-term volatility observed on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts suggests that traders should monitor these levels carefully. Consider focusing on short-term trades if you are less risk-tolerant. In the long term, the bullish sentiment is largely driven by the increasing adoption of Bitcoin, especially given recent institutional interest.